In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Shopify store by importing a new theme. If you've ever wanted to give your store a fresh look but weren't sure how to start, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this straightforward process. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your store's homepage. This is where the magic happens. On this page, you'll find everything you need to manage your store, from orders to analytics and, of course, themes. Remember, the look and feel of your store play a crucial role in attracting and retaining customers, so choosing the right theme is paramount. Next, you'll want to find and click on Import Theme. This step is crucial as it allows you to bring a new aesthetic to your store. Whether you're looking to add a dash of sophistication or keep it minimalist, importing a theme is the way to go. When you're selecting a theme, consider how it aligns with your brand's message and the experience you want for your customers. Now, after clicking Import Theme, proceed to the Upload Zip File option. This is where you'll upload the new theme you've chosen. You should have a zip file of the theme saved on your computer. If you don't yet have one, take a moment to explore the Shopify theme store or other marketplaces for the perfect design. Make sure the theme is compatible with Shopify, as this ensures a smooth transition and functionality. After choosing Upload Zip File, you'll see the Add File button. Go ahead and click it. This action will open up a File Explorer window. Here, you'll navigate through your computer's files to find the theme zip file you downloaded earlier. Once located, select it and prepare it for upload. It's important to ensure that you have a stable internet connection during this step to avoid any disruptions during the upload process. Finally, click on Upload File. This is the moment when the theme file transfers to your Shopify store's system. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take a moment. Once uploaded, your new theme will be available in your theme library, ready to be customized. Customizing your theme will allow you to tailor it to your specific brand needs, adjusting colors, fonts, and layout accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a new theme to your Shopify store. Remember, the design of your store can significantly impact customer engagement, so be sure to explore all the customization options available to you. This simple process can really elevate the aesthetics and functionality of your online shop, making it more appealing to your target audience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.